Hey everyone, and welcome back to another season of Time Attack with my TSX. We're here with CSCS Racing at Mosport DDT, which most of you guys already know is a track I don't like. Being that I don't drive this car every day, this is me getting back into the car for the first time for the year, and of course you have that refreshing feeling again and remembering how good it feels to be in a race car. On my first session I got turned back because I went a bit too late and there wasn't enough time left. So when I did get out on my second session, there was a lot of traffic. And that's because the weather was showing a lot of rain coming later, and a lot of people wanted to make sure they didn't get caught in that rain for their qualifying time. So because of this traffic on my first session, I didn't set a good enough time, but I did get to have a feel for the tires that I put on the back, the Yokohamas, and I think the car feels a lot better, especially because I haven't had new tires on the rear for a while. Now on that second session that I got to go out on, I managed to set my personal best time of a 1:38.4, which felt great because I wasn't sure how these tires would react, but they honestly felt amazing, and I'm quite happy with the grip that I'm getting from them. And this is actually the first time I've seen my car 3-wheel on turn 1 at DDT, so that's also pretty cool. So for the finals, here is where things start to get a bit upsetting. After the first timed lap, there was a red flag because one of the competitors went off and tapped the wall. When this session restarted, I wasn't sure if there was 2 laps or 3 laps, and I was trying to wave down an official and try to ask someone, but everyone was just busy trying to regrid us and slot us back in to get back out there. When we got on track, it was fine. The car still felt good. I was able to match my time. But after the second timed lap, I saw 2 cars pit, and that made me think that I blew the checkered flag. And as you saw on my timer, it said a 1:37.9, which is a good time, just that my timer takes the time before the turn and CSCS timing takes it after the turn. So that time would have not registered since I let off thinking that I blew the checkered flag. Then after realizing that I didn't blow the checkered flag because I saw other cars out there, I started to get frustrated because I know that in time attack every 10th matters. So a 1:38.4 and a 1:37.9, that's a half second difference that could make the difference in me getting a podium or not. And that's exactly what ended up happening. The third place car did a 1:38.0 and I potentially could have did a 1:37.9. Very upsetting day knowing that I have this what if situation going on, but either way, I will see you guys at the next event. Thanks.